Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Location or Security and Location. This gets you to the controls you need. First, check the main location toggle and switch it off. This immediately stops apps from accessing GPS. Once done, make sure you're in the same settings page to access advanced options like app-level access. Turning the global toggle off is quick, but some services still use device sensors. Next, we remove app permissions to stop background tracking. Now you fine-tune which apps can use location. Tap App Permission or App-Level Access, then open the Location Permission list. For each app, choose Deny to block tracking or only while using app to limit background access. This prevents persistent location collection. Be methodical. Check maps, social media, weather, and delivery apps first. Once completed, you'll reduce passive location sharing, and your privacy improves without breaking functionality for apps that legitimately need your location while in use. Finally, disable Google-specific tracking to stop cloud-stored location data. Open the Google app or account settings, go to Data and Privacy, and turn location history off. This prevents Google from saving places you visit. Also, disable location inclusion in web and app activity so searches and services don't log location. Once finished, clear existing location data if desired. If something still tracks you, check device admin apps and factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.